5 functions of communication. The first one is the control.
Good morning, class. Today we're going to focus on our science project. Natalie, please ensure that everyone in your group stay on task and follow instructions carefully.
Sure, Mrs. Arya. I will make sure everyone is working on their assigned section.
Excellent. Remember, if anyone has a question or needs help, they should come to me directly. Let's stay organized and focused here.
The second one is the social interaction. Hey Carla, do you mind if I sit with you?
Of course, Natalie. How is your day going?
It's going well. Thanks. I just finished my art class and it was amazing. How about you?
Pretty good. We had a math test, but I think I did already. By the way, are you going to the school dance next week?
Yes, I am. Are you?
Definitely. It should be fun. Maybe we can go for the day.
This sounds great. The third one is the motivation.
Ma'am, I don't know what to do. I'm tired.
Alright, Aryan. I know you're nervous about the upcoming track meet, but I seen your progress. You're fast and stronger than ever.
Thanks, coach. I just don't want to let the team down.
You won't trust in your training and do your best. Remember, it's not all about winning. It's pushing your limits and improving yourself.
You're right, coach. I will do my best.
And the fourth one is emotional expression.
Hi, Cheska. How's your day?
I'm a bit overwhelmed with all the homework and exam coming.
It's completely normal to feel that way. Let's talk about some strategies to manage your stress. Remember, it's important to take a break and prioritize your things.
Thank you, Princess. I really appreciate your support and advice. It makes me feel better.
And the last one is information dissemination.